We're featuring our harvest of chayote tonight. We're cooking it with curry, prawn, and cream. Guaranteed to go well with rice. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook, and share. Hello, warm greetings. It's chayote night today. It's chayote evening. It's now late fall and it's even snowing today. That's why I harvested my chayotes. They've got, look, still young, and we're cooking them tonight. It is chayote with cream. It's actually chayote curry with cream and prawn. Guaranteed delicious. I already prepped the chayotes. I'm also adding carrots to make it more colorful. And when the prawns turn red, this will be delightful. Let's start. As you've seen earlier, I already poured oil here and it's now hot. So we can directly do the stir fry. I ran out of garlic. That's why I'm using this powder. It's chicken powder, but it's got garlic in it. So I'm using it instead as a substitute for garlic. Yeah. Now I can smell garlic. And then, this is very simple. We add the rest of the ingredients, the vegetables, which is our chayote. Oh wait, I think I forgot the curry first. The curry. Sorry, the curry. It's not hopeless. I can still add the curry here on the side because we want the curry to get infused in the oil. But just mild. We don't want it to overpower the room with its smell. And now the rest of the chayotes. Let's add that. Just one more that. And we stir. And once it's about to cook, oh wait, we can add the salt now. And just stir it with this. And when it's about to cook, we can add the prawn. Let's just leave it here. Do we need more curry flavor? I think so. Lid on. And I'll see you later after around 5 minutes. Look at this. I did not add water. This is the natural fluid of the vegetable. At this point, we can now add the prawn with the heads on. The flavor is here. That's the reason why with the heads on. I don't have to stir it, I'll just cover it. And just wait for, or let the steam cook it around 3 to 5 minutes. That depends on the flame, but with this flame I've got 5 minutes, I think. It's never exact, cooking is never exact. Let's just wait for 5 minutes. And then we add the cream. And it's been my tradition. In fact, it's become my style. I don't use cream or the ordinary cream. I use cream cheese. It's the best substitute because it's creamier, thicker and creamier, and more flavorful. Later, once the prawns turn red, we add this, and it will be ready to serve. We have white rice in there, steaming and cooking away. That will be the accompaniment. That will be the side dish of our chayote curry with prawn. It's halfway through 5 minutes and look at this. They begin to turn red except for the top portion. So we can stir them to bring them down and also get the sauce infused with their fat or with their flavor. Just a turn and that will do the trick. 2 more minutes or so. Look at that. They're not cooked, I'm sure. And it's become watery. I like it. I like it. Now is the time to add the cream in the form of, as I said earlier, cream cheese. Creamy, rich and creamy. Oh, oh. The only disadvantage of using cream cheese is, as you've seen, it's more difficult to melt. Because it has to melt and then incorporate into the sauce. Unlike other sauce, they just get incorporated instantly. Here, first melt and then incorporate. This will be good. I'll turn the flame off. I'm sure this is good. Let's have a close-up of our dish. Look, this is our dish, chayote with cream and prawn on the head. What a description. Let's taste it. The sauce infused with the flavor of the prawn, the chayote, and further enriched with the cream. Oh Lord, heaven is on earth, I believe. Seriously. This first time I do this, chayote curry with prawn. And it worked. Of course, the advantage of chayote. Let's have a picture. Of course, the advantage of chayote is it's a wonder vegetable because it absorbs the whatever flavor you add to it. May it be chicken, seafoods, or nothing at all, even sugar. By the way, there's a dish that I made. I don't even know if you can call it a dish. It's dessert, chayote dessert. It's here, and in the description box. It's time to serve it. I think our rice is also cooked, so we can serve it now. Thank you for joining me here today. Thank you for staying until now. It is chayote, homegrown, or we've grown it ourselves at the garden. Precious garden, precious harvest, chayote. And this, look at this, chayote. Until next time.